Are you a student looking to make some extra cash on the side? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 side hustles for students in 2025 that can help you rake in the money, from online tutoring to freelance writing, and from selling products online to dog walking. We've got you covered. These side hustles are easy to start, require little to no experience, and can be done in your free time. So, whether you're looking to pay off student loans, save up for a car, or just have some extra spending money, these side hustles are perfect for you. Watch until the end to learn how you can start making money today. Let's get started. Starting with number 7, online tutoring. With the rise of remote learning, there has never been a more accessible or lucrative time to become an online tutor. As a student yourself, you likely have expertise in a variety of subjects that other students would find useful. You could offer your services to younger students who need help with homework or test preparation, or even college students looking for guidance in their field of study. One great platform for finding online tutoring jobs is Tutor.me, where you can set your own hours and rates and work from anywhere in the world. Another option is Schooly, which offers flexible hours and the ability to work from home. The best part about online tutoring is that you don't need any special certifications or qualifications to get started. With a little bit of expertise and patience, you can be on your way to earning some extra cash. On average, online tutors can earn around $20 to $40 per hour. So it's a great way for students to make some money on the side without sacrificing too much of their free time. Number 6, freelance writing. If you love to write, then freelance writing might be the perfect side hustle for you. There is a high demand for quality content online, and businesses are always looking for writers to create blog posts, articles, and website copy. You could find work by pitching businesses directly or by signing up for freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where clients post jobs and set their budgets. One great thing about freelance writing is that you can often set your own rates and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Many freelance writers charge between $25 and $100 per article, depending on the length and complexity of the piece. Plus, you can often build relationships with clients and secure ongoing work. With a little creativity and strong writing skills, you can make some good money as a freelance writer. Next up at number 5, social media management. With more and more businesses moving their operations online, the demand for social media managers is at an all-time high. If you're a savvy social media user, you could help businesses manage their accounts, create engaging content, and interact with their followers. This could include posting updates, scheduling posts, running ads, and analyzing results. There are many platforms where you can find social media management jobs, such as We Work Remotely and Ramo Tasks. According to ZipRecruiter, the average hourly pay for a social media manager is $38 with experience and expertise. You can charge up to $60 per hour, and the best part, you can do it all from your phone or computer. With the right skills and experience, you can land a lucrative side hustle as a social media manager. At number 4, virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is another great way to leverage your organizational and administrative skills. As a VA, you can provide remote support to businesses and entrepreneurs with tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing email inboxes, and conducting research. Platforms like Upwork and Guru are excellent resources for finding VA jobs. With the flexibility to work remotely and set your own hours, being a VA is a great option for busy students. According to ZipRecruiter, the average hourly pay for a virtual assistant is $25, with a range typically between $19 and $34. But experienced VAs with specialized skills can command higher rates. With a little initiative and resourcefulness, you can establish a successful VA business and enjoy the freedom and flexibility it provides. Next up at number 3, selling products online. If you're crafty or have an eye for unique items, consider selling products online through platforms like Etsy and Amazon Handmade. You can sell handmade goods such as jewelry, candles, and soaps, or source products from suppliers and drop ship them directly to your customers. With a little creativity and marketing savvy, you can build a thriving online store and make some serious cash. For instance, on Etsy, you can set your own prices and keep 85% of the revenue after Etsy takes their cut. Plus, you only pay a listing fee of 20 cents when you list an item, and there are no monthly fees to run your shop. On Amazon Handmade, you'll also keep 89% of the revenue after fees. The platform has a built-in customer base of over 300 million people, making it a great place to sell your products. With the right products and marketing strategy, you can turn your passion into profit and achieve financial success. At number 2, dog walking. If you love animals and the outdoors, dog walking is a perfect side hustle for you. With the busy lifestyles of many pet owners, there is a growing demand for reliable dog walkers. You could advertise your services on community bulletin boards or use apps like Rover and Wag to connect with pet parents in your area. The best part about dog walking is that you can often set your own rates and hours. On average, dog walkers earn around $15 to $25 per hour, but experienced walkers with great reviews can charge more. Plus, you can often build relationships with clients and get regular work. So if you're looking for a fun and rewarding side hustle, consider dog walking. And finally, at number 1, food delivery. One of the best side hustles for students is food delivery. With the popularity of services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub, there is a constant need for delivery drivers. As a student, you have the flexibility to work around your class schedule and earn some extra cash in your free time. The best part about food delivery is that you can often set your own hours and keep what you earn. According to ZipRecruiter, delivery drivers make an average of $19 per hour. With tips, it's not uncommon to earn $25 or more per hour. Plus, you can often work independently and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with it. With the demand for food delivery services constantly growing, now is a great time to start this lucrative side hustle. And there you have it, the top 7 side hustles for students in 2025. Whether you choose to tutor online, write freelance, manage social media, be a virtual assistant, sell products online, walk dogs, or deliver food, these options offer flexibility, freedom, and financial reward. Now it's your turn to take action and start earning. Remember, success doesn't come easy, but with dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. So don't wait any longer. Start your side hustle today and secure your financial future. Good luck and see you at the top. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay tuned for more videos on making money and achieving financial success. Until next time, happy hustling!